Okay, 2005 Ford Escape. Taking out the factory head unit because the eject does not eject. It reads error every time you try to eject. And the brushes on the volume control do not work as well. You got to play with it for a half hour before you can get the volume, or it goes too loud or too low and you can't move it. And I'm going to replace it with this Pioneer DEH X6700 BT Bluetooth head unit. So had these DIN removal tools that came with that unit. They bent and didn't work, so I went to Advanced Auto and bought a good set for $8, and they pulled it come right out. So that's that. Head unit should come out, which it did. Here's our antenna wire and our factory harness for the speakers and stuff. And is there a push clip? Yeah. Alright. So there's that unit out. There's a new unit. I already had the wires in the basement. Got the aftermarket harness to adapt it there, and to the radio plug it goes in the radio. Soldered them, heat shrink, and zip tied them. Keep them together there. What we got here is Bluetooth microphone, which I don't know where I'm going to run it. Pioneer remote control. Right there. And the head unit itself, if I can get it out of here. Alright. And there's the head unit. So, let's set that up there for now. And I'll get back with you. I'm going to figure out how I'm going to run this Bluetooth mic. Alright, radio's plugged in. We'll try it out, make sure it works before we start installing everything. Alright. Seems to work fine. Alright. We're gonna shut off. Okay, I'm gonna shut off now and start running on this mic. Alright, so I got the mic wire run through here, up under there. Had to take this off, run it up through there, like so. I don't care if that hangs a little bit. It won't stay up there because this thing's coming off. So I got that all up through there. Had to move this, put that back on. And that's all run up there to the mic, which is right here for the Bluetooth. Just gotta put these, I gotta put the handle back on, which is right here. It's gotta go back on, so I'll install that the right way, maybe. Oh boy, what do we got? We're hitting something. That's wrong. Goes like that. There she goes. Alright, not gonna make you watch this, I'll turn it off. Alright, just about got the handle back on. Crack your window with this thing. Don't want to strip that out neither. Alright, that's that. Got our wires here, got our mic wire, antenna wire. Now we'll be working on the dash kit. Alright, got the dash kit on the radio. Let's make sure everything still works again before doing anything.
Woody Boyle? Saver raffle. That should be pretty cool. Friday, it's
Alright.
on April 3rd, 7 p.m.
Now we got to make sure our wires,
The winning ticket will win a gun save, 3 guns.
to make sure our wires all clear. No binding in wires. Now theoretically, this is supposed to click into place. I don't know if it will. Doesn't seem like it wants to. I'll be back with you in a minute. Well, all done. Units in. Good to go. So, that's the end. Like I said, running that wire down below. Kick pan. Up behind the post. Up along there, and right here's my Bluetooth mic. Right there. Comes out of here, headboard. So that completes it. That's the job. Hope you enjoyed it.